Mona, shall I ask some questions?
Okay.
Sit properly first. Okay, very good. Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
What did you learn today? What did your teacher make you learn today?
I tell buenos dias.
Very good. And what else?
What else? I helped you teacher.
Very good.
Yes.
What did they teach?
I helped you teacher.
Wow, in what way have you helped your teachers?
I'm so strong, really.
Oh.
I'm so big.
Oh, really?
You touch me so small now.
Okay. They are small and you are so big, right?
Yes.
That's why you helped your teacher.
Yes.
In what way you helped her?
I completed the work in book.
Very good. You completed your work. And then? Have you learned W words?
Yes.
What is the sound? What is the phonic sound for the letter W?
Watermelon.
Sound, phonic sound.
Watermelon.
Phonic sound I am asking.
Phonic sound.
Fa, fa, va, va. What are the letters with the letter W? W for? Look at me.
W for watch.
And W for?
W for the what?
Window.
Window.
And W for?
For the
When ma'am is teaching, you are not listening to her. That's why you are unable to say. You need to listen, no? When ma'am is teaching something. By the time you are playing with your friends. You should not play when the class is going on, no? Will you listen carefully then?
yes.
Tomorrow I will ask the same questions, right? It's okay. It's okay.